Don't touch him. Don't touch him. Don't touch him. Let's go. Don't touch him.
Do you want to go to jail? Do you want to go to jail?
Get outside. He's gonna
Go outside. Let's go outside. Let's go outside.
Which one?
The bald one.
Go outside.
Okay, hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. Back up.
Yes.
That's your hands behind your back.
Here's one.
Hey, back up. Put your hands behind your back. You're gonna get tased.
You're gonna get tased. Put your hands on your back.
Put your hands behind your back.
Forward.
Speaker. Hands.
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 Hey guys, let him go. He's not doing nothing.
Get back. Get back.
I'm back.
Forward.
You're good, Jake.
What I did. Hey. What I did.
Trying to get
It's civil law. Back up.
What exactly is
Come down.
Stand up.
Chill, guys.
Go swatch these people. Spread your feet.
Who is his wife? Esposa.
Yeah, I just tell me what happened. So you tell me. No, I am his wife.
Okay. Could you tell me what happened? Well, he is detained because he's fighting our officer and he's restraining us. Yes, he is. He fought the other security guard upstairs. You guys are all fighting upstairs.
I'm sorry, I didn't see it. We have to do it.
You gotta get your friend right now before she goes to jail. She has 3 seconds to go to jail.
Let me ask you. Who?
Your friend over there in the blue.
Officer.
All of you need to go
Officer,
home.
please. Officer.
He was fighting everybody upstairs.
No. Wasn't him. We are together. Wasn't him.
We are just trying to understand.
No. Can I explain?
All of you get out. Get over the sidewalk. Sidewalk. Out of the street.
Could you come with me?
Yes. Out of the street.
Can I explain
What
to you?
happened?
Let me talk to you, okay? The guy in the bar, okay?
Yes.
He's screaming.
Hold on. I'm talking one at a time. Go away.
Yeah, we're just
You come talk to me. You can go sober.
The guy in the bar,
Yes.
he's pointing at the guy in the bar. The guy in the bar.
The bouncer.
Yeah. He's pointing.
No, go away.
And,
Get everybody away from me.
and we try to talk, okay? And the other guy, he wanna fight. And I say, hey,
Which is the other guy?
he's leaving. He's leaving. But I say, hey, go back.
Okay.
And you guys come,
Yeah.
okay? And when you guys come, already everything mixed
Yes,
up.
you do realize your buddy was fighting us, right? He put hands on us. He put hands on an officer.
No.
That's why he's detained.
No, I understand.
Okay.
I understand your point, okay? But everybody nervous.
Huh?
Everybody nervous their point.
Why are you fighting the police when
No,
we're
no,
not
no,
telling
I
you to
know
go
fi-
upstairs?
no,
Not
I
you,
know the-
but these two. They're fighting us. That's why they're in the car. It's because they physically put hands on us as we're trying to get you all downstairs.
No, I don't see that. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I
So
don't
what
see-
happened upstairs? Was there a
Yeah.
fight?
No, nobody fight.
Nobody fought.
No, nobody
Then
fight.
why did they flag us down upstairs?
No, because of that.
Because the other guy?
The other guy. Hey, the other guy upstairs.
For?
The other guy
No, I
upstairs.
don't have anything at Cascanel, no.
The other guy upstairs. We just say gonna leave it, and he start point fingers with us and say fuck off, and he's trying to say, hey, what are you doing?
Yes.
Leave, but it's okay. I understand. You wanna leave the place. I understand, but the guy get nervous, and I'm sorry. I don't wanna say he's not did right. I just wanna say I'm sorry. We not here for fight, just here for party. And I understand, the guys drink a little bit, but nobody here for fight,
Okay, well, they put hands on us, which is why they're in the back of the car. Thank you. Okay, I'm taking one of you. You come talk to me. What happened upstairs?
Yeah. I don't like understand because I was in the
No,
bathroom.
I'm not talking to you. You're telling me what happened upstairs.
I don't know. I don't understand. I was in the bathroom.
So what? Did the security guards not tell you to go downstairs?
No. The security was playing the pool, and I say the security guy, the black big guy, and I say, you have to get out. And I say,
Okay.
so can I give us 2 minutes?
Someone talked to him.
This one is my car. No, I don't think anybody's talked to him yet.
Or in the back of Nick's.
Nick's car. No, I don't think anybody's talked to him.
And yes, so could you give me a minute just to finish the game? And I say, yeah, you have 2 minutes. And I begin 2 minutes
you're
and a
playing the
half.
game, yeah?
Yeah. 2 minutes and a half. And I say, yeah. So I went to the bathroom while you guys was finished the game at the pool. And when I come out, everything's happened, and I really know what happened.
Okay, so you didn't see what happened that
No,
started everything.
I was in the bathroom.
Okay.
The guy told me
Okay.
Who it is, I'm looking and tells you it's time to go. That means it's time to go. They act like they are in charge of this place. So if they need to use force to get you guys out, then they are allowed to.
No, we really understand, but the security.
No, hold on.
So
One
the
at a
security
time.
what?
Huh?
So what happened with the security?
No, the security just talked with him and with my husband. You have 2 minutes,
Yep.
and 2.5 minutes.
And the one
You
grab
one at a
can
time.
stay- No, just a second. You guys can stay over here, and then another security just came and they put the balls inside the table. Get out of here! What the fuck are you doing?
Okay.
And
But I can talk for
Another
1
security.
second.
Yep, a
One
different
second.
security guard. So he tells you to get out,
No,
right?
1 second.
no, the
Just
another
1 second.
Okay, you can stay here for 2
1 minute.
minutes and a half. And then
I already talked to him. He has no more statement to give.
That's a lot of complaint. Like, that's
Por favor, espera por allá.
Yeah.
Vete para allá y
That's
espera
how I
para
told
allá.
you.
Sí, no,
You
it's
was
okay.
playing the
Ahorita mismo, por
pool,
favor.
and the guy told us you have 2 minutes,
para
and I'm back
Yep.
2 minutes and a half. And they say, yes, you have 2 minutes and a half to finish the play.
they start to talk with another security about that.
Yep.
And then the police just came.
No,
and
we
they
didn't just come up because you guys were fighting as we were coming up.
No, they
Yes, with the
didn't
other
fight.
security guards. Yes, these two did, and then he put hands on our officer, which is why he's in the back of the car. That one, whatever that one is. What's up?
Can I say?
Yes.
Something repeat. I was wearing my glass, and then once I took it out the glass, one of the bouncers say, "Why are you taking your glass? You want to fight me?" I say, "No, I don't want to fight anyone."
It's fine. You weren't fighting anybody.
No, I say, I told him that. But
They're
we just
allowed
need
to put
leave.
hands on you to get out of the bar if you're not
I
complying.
say they're not allowed to put hands on anybody.
Yes, they are. It's security.
No, they
It's the
don't.
state of Florida. Yes, they are.
If I do- if I
Yes,
do- if I
they
do-
can escort you out of the bar.
He was talking about another security,
Man.
and they say so friendly. You have 2 minutes to finish the game.
That's fine. And if another security guard who works here tells you to get out, they can leave. You need to leave. That is what happened. Even if another one told you to get 2 minutes, doesn't matter. If one tells you to leave, you leave. I'm done talking to them. They're too drunk. Okay, so he's going for disorderly intox. Okay, disorderly intoxication, being too drunk in public.
Why?
Because he's being too drunk in public and he's fighting all the security staff upstairs and he's trying to fight Nick upstairs. Your husband went to fight my officer, which is why he's in the back of the car.
No.
Yes, it was literally upstairs.
No, I wasn't.
Because you were in the middle of it.
No, I wasn't in the middle, but he say why he's touching him. He don't did anything. He tried to talk to him.
We're allowed to, the bouncers, the security guards are allowed to touch you to escort you out of the bar. And your husbands and the guys didn't like that.
No,
That sucks.
No, that's okay. I completely understand that. I completely understand that.
That's fine.
But so he just asked him why he touched him. Say why he just
Because you guys
touched
wouldn't
him.
leave the bar.
No,
That is why you
we're
touched him.
supposed to leave it. It's not. You don't.
You guys weren't leaving. You guys were arguing with us.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. Yes.
No.
It's all on body
Okay,
cam.
No, I understand that.
No, you clearly don't. You guys do not. I have no patience for this. Something. That's it. I got this. Thank you.
I'm sorry. Can I finish?
You can try, yes, but you telling me
No.
what did not happen
I'm
is
not-
not going to help.
You always gonna be right. I never gonna be right.
It's not about me being
No, no,
right.
no,
It's
I
about
know.
the camera
I
showing your
respect
husband
it.
trying to fight the officer.
I just tried to explain. I'm not saying you're wrong. You just do.
So what happened upstairs?
No, what happened? I was sitting with my husband.
Yep.
And everybody started fighting because they paid the ticket for something. I don't know, stupid
Yeah.
thing because of the
game, the
game.
game.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the one of our friend started to fight with the guy.
Yep.
He just wanna know what's going on and say no, nobody touched him. And I said, hey, let's go home. And I took him.
I saw
He
you do
said,
that,
don't
yes.
push me. He said, don't push me. I'm not gonna do anything.
I did because they weren't.
Yeah.
And I just tried to say, let's go home. Look to my eyes. We
Yes,
have a son.
I remember
we have
that,
a
yep.
daughter sick at home. Let me finish with the officer. I say, I have son and the daughter sick at home.
Yep.
Let's go home. Look to my eyes. Because I don't want to
I
be here
remember that,
today.
yeah.
I don't want to be here today. So I just did it because
You
our
tried to get him
friend-
downstairs. Yep.
I said, let's go. And I don't know.
His friend got pushed downstairs,
Yes.
which he didn't like, by a security guard. Your
Yeah.
husband turned around and tried to fight that officer over there. And when he went to punch him, that's when he was detained.
No, he never gonna punch him. He didn't crazy.
Him going like this says he's going to punch him.
He say that?
Yes.
No, I didn't say. I'm sorry.
You probably didn't see it.
I'm sorry.
But he went
Swear
in
God,
and he
I didn't
flexed
see
on an
it.
officer, which is why
I'm
he's
so
the back
sorry.
of the car.
Swear God, I didn't
He is
see
not
it.
going to jail for bat Leo or assault Leo. He is going to jail for being too drunk. That is disorderly intoxication.
What I'm supposed
It's a
to do in
misdemeanor.
this
So in
situation?
8 hours, you're going to get a phone call, probably from him, to get released. Okay, he has to be in jail for 8 hours if it's alcohol related. Okay, that way the alcohol gets out of his
I'm gonna
system.
go home. Take care of my daughter and take like the injection and stuff like that. He's the only one take the glucose stuff like that.
Ending call to update by video.